Well, I've told you once, I've told you many times, stop your messing with all these.
Hi everyone, this is how to use Windows 10 built-in app called Steps Recorder. Okay, so Windows 10, how do we start this up, this built-in app? On the taskbar, click and open search, type Steps. Left click Steps Recorder or hit enter. Before we click Start Recorder, we're going to set up a file where we will save any recordings so we know where they're saved. Okay, move to your desktop and anywhere there's a clear space, right click, the first menu will appear, move down the menu and click on New and then click on Folder. When the new folder appears, as you see, it is ready for being named. So just type Steps Recordings and that will do. Okay, we're ready to start recording. Anything you click on or window you open or page you do or whatever you do to be able to explain to somebody without having to type it all up, then you can put little captions in where it says add a comment. You can click on add a comment once you've clicked on start recording, and you can put in a comment of what you're doing and then go back and okay the comment, and you just do whatever you're doing. You just click away doing what you're normally doing, and this way you can record anything that you're doing and you can save it as a how-to file, and that's it. The next bit is how to save your files. But first off, I'm just going to show you how to create a comment, and it just says how to save. So click the add comment button, then this window opens as you see underneath now, and just type in what you want to say. When you've finished typing, just click OK, and if you're finished with your file altogether, just click stop recording. When you click the stop recording button, you get this window pop up. You can review your work there. Once you're happy with what you've done, then as you can see, before you save anything, you need to go into settings. So left click settings and this window appears, and it's where I've got how to save steps recorder files will be blank. You fill it in, name the file what you want it to be, and then click the browse button to save it where you want to save it to. So now I click the browse button and it brings this up, and as you can see I had to name it again, how to save, down the bottom, and I've chosen steps, where are we, desktop steps recordings. Now that's done, I can click the save button. But as you can see, it's changed the address line and everything up above in the output file name. It now knows where it's going to go and what it's going to do. So click the OK button. But that has still not saved it because you're back at this window. Now you have to click the save button up there, and that is it. When I check on my desktop folder, the steps recording folder that we made, yes, it's there, and it's saved it there as a zip file. So you have to unzip it to play it, and that is exactly what you do. And but the reason they zip it is so that when you send it to someone, a zip file would be a lot smaller than all your pictures and everything that it does. And I'll just show a quick review of what it did. You can pause the video here to read what this says, but I will just carry on scrolling down for the next slide. The picture is a little bit on the milky side, but that's because I didn't do much in the way of moving and clicking about, but it would normally take much better pictures than this when you do click about and do things. So yeah, overall it's a good little how-to teaching tool. Right, that's the end. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. I do like to hear from you. And thank you for your time for watching this. Hope you liked it.
Well, I've told you once, I told